Today we will be discussing performance evaluation method used for information retrieval system. Information retrieval system accepts query as an input and it refers the document repository which it has for giving relevant set of documents to the query. Basically, for evaluating performance of any of the system, it is measured in terms of efficiency and effectiveness. Efficiency is machine dependent, right? So, it depends on configuration of machine whichever is used for carrying out the computations. So, the metrics whichever are used or whichever are independent of machine, that we will be taking into consideration for measuring performance of information retrieval system. So, considering effectiveness, the analytical parameters or the metric which are used for evaluation of information retrieval system are nothing but precision and recall. So, what exactly is that precision and recall? I will just let you know that in short with example. So, this will be considering this as a set of document repository which information retrieval system is referring, okay, and these are set of relevant documents and these are retrieved documents. So, what now you may say that like how one can decide set of relevant documents and retrieved documents. So, for doing that there are certain domain experts which sits together. There are certain conferences called as TREC and all, in which they decides the standard set of queries for considering the repository documents whichever are to be considered in the repository. Considering that documents whichever are there in the repository, they sets the standard question set and standard answer set expected for it, alright. So, considering this is standard set of document repository and considering certain queries question set like Q1, Q2, Q3, likewise there can be any number of queries, and for every query they as they are acting as domain experts, they decides the relevant set of documents for every query. So, we have to have that with us, only then we will be able to measure the performance of information retrieval system. So, considering that for one of the query, let us say Q, we are considering out of this universal set of documents, we have these many relevant set of documents to be retrieved, and this is what your system has given as an answer set or which is called as retrieved documents by your information retrieval system, and this is nothing but set of relevant documents which are retrieved by your algorithm, okay. So, if considering this scenario, if precision and recall is to be defined, in that case precision is nothing but number of relevant documents retrieved out of total answer set, total retrieved documents. So, that is nothing but your precision value of information retrieval system, whereas recall is nothing but your relevant documents retrieved in the answer set out of total number of relevant documents whichever are given by domain experts, that these are the relevant set of documents out of whichever are actually retrieved by your algorithm, ratio of that is nothing but recall of the system. So, if example is to be considered, what you need to understand, let us consider this example. So, for query Q, this is set of relevant documents listed, okay. Document and its number, document number is given, and for answer set generated for this query by your algorithm is nothing but like this, 15 documents are retrieved in response to this query Q, and these are ranked in this order. So, this is your ranking number of the document, and in this sequence the documents are retrieved. So, now how precision and recall values are calculated, that I will just show you with the help of this example. So, here are formulas for precision and recall, and this is what is the scenario given. So, if we will count, obviously we will have to count the relevant set of documents considering query Q. So, here there are 10 number of documents which are considered as relevant set of documents considering query Q, and in the answer set total documents retrieved are nothing but 15. So, answer set contains your R value is going to be 10 and A value is going to be 15. Now, directly out of this, considering total scenario, we need not calculate precision and recall. The procedure which is followed for generally for calculating precision and recall is nothing but you need to go through the answer set and you need to check whether you have, at which point you have retrieved, your algorithm has retrieved the relevant document. So, let us go through the set of documents retrieved. So, this is D123. We need to check whether D123 is there in the set of relevant documents. Yes, it is there. So, what we need to do? We need to calculate precision and recall values at this point. So, over here, considering only up to this, what is the scenario? Total documents retrieved at this particular point are nothing but 1. So, R value is 1. A value is, answer set is 1, and whether it is relevant or not, it is relevant, so it is 1. So, both values are 1. So, if we will put these values into the formula, so RA is, precision value is nothing but RA retrieved, relevant documents retrieved out of total answer set is nothing but 1 by 1. So, this value is going to be 1, that is 100%. So, precision value is 100% considering that point. But recall value is, RA value is nothing but here total relevant documents retrieved in the answer set are 1. So, this is 1, but R value is, for R value it is going to be 10 always, and we are going through the points of the answer set. So, this is going to be 10. So, 1 by 10, so recall value is 10%. Similarly, what we need to do, now we will check second position D86, whether D86 is there in the relevant set of documents, no. So, we will go to the next point, D56. Now, D56 is there in the relevant set of documents. So, we will calculate precision and recall at this point as well. So, now precision and recall value for at second point are going to be here RA value, total relevant documents retrieved in the answer set at this point are 2. So, 2 out of total answer sets 3, and recall is nothing but 2 divided by 10. So, that is what, this is how the values will be calculated. We need to do the calculations, and at the end what we need to do, whichever value you will be getting of precision and recall, you need to plot the graph of precision versus recall. So, what you need to do over there, you need to plot the performance of your algorithm systematically, and then you need to check whether its performance is continuously coming as per your expectations or not. Okay. So, at considering this first point, precision value is 100, precision value is 100 and recall value is 10. So, what we will be doing, that first point will get plotted at this position. So, similarly, considering all the points when you have retrieved, or your algorithm has retrieved the relevant document, at that point you are expected to calculate precision and recall value and plot the points and then join it. So, what you need to do over here, we will assume certain answers and then we will plot certain data points over here. So, in this way, if you will connect that, whatever curve you will be getting, that is nothing but your performance curve of your algorithm. I hope you have understood the concept. Thank you.